Hello Cardano holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another update of the Cardano idea, my friends. My friends, today is a good day of the Cardano because today the price of Cardano is taken a very huge pump. So that's why I'm telling you that today is a good day for Cardano. You can see here that at 24 hours chain is open. The Cardano is positive 3.8% increase in the last 24 hours. So absolutely that's already a good day for Cardano holders. But you can see my friends on the other side, if you look the last 1 hour. So now the last 1 hour changes of the Cardano is negative 0.33%. But my friends, that's a temporary. That's a temporary fast. After some passage of time, after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the price will then again increase. Don't worry about the last 1 hour update, my friends. And furthermore, 24 hours trading volume, market cap, available supply, total supply of data present here. You know what, my friends? In the previous time, the price of Cardano is very high and you take a pump. Just look here, my friends. Taken a huge pump in the previous time. I'm sure I'm very positive about Cardano in the future. Looking these changes of the Cardano, you can see, my friends. In the previous time, the price is barely dumps, but now in the latest situation, they are happy my heart. That makes happy my heart to see this kind of changes of the Cardano. Anyways, what you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Cardano idea? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.